The anger is no longer quiet. It's loud, it's visible, and it is growing. In the city of Sada, thousands of people have poured onto the streets, raising slogans, waving flags, sending a clear message. They stand with Iran, with Palestine, and with Lebanon. Well, it's not a protest anymore, it's a signal. Crowds gathered in large numbers, chanting, marching, expressing deep frustration over the ongoing conflict involving the United States and Israel. In fact, voices echoed through the streets, not just for support though, but for readiness too. Many protesters are declaring all options are open. Now, take some time here, think about what it really means. It's not just symbolic solidarity, it hints at something more. Basically, a willingness to escalate, to move beyond words, and in a region that is already on the edge. Such statements carry weight. Now, let's look at a bigger picture here. Yemen has long been part of a wider regional alignment. Public rallies like these, they are not really new. They often reflect deeper political and strategic connection across the Middle East. But this time, the timing is very important because the conflict is already expanding. And now, attention is turning towards a key location. And that location, ladies and gentlemen, is Bab al-Mandab Strait. This narrow waterway, it is one of the most important shipping routes in the world. Oil tankers, cargo ships, global trade, all passes through here only. And if tensions spill into the region, the impact will not stay local, it will be global. Also, there are growing concerns that Yemen could become an active battlefront in this conflict. Not just protests though, but potential actions targeting ships or strategic routes. And that possibility is what caught the attention of global observers. At the same time, no large-scale new attacks have been confirmed though, but the mood in the ground, that's changing. The language is stronger, the signals are sharper. And that is what is making this whole moment so much important because wars do not expand only through official announcements, right? Sometimes they expand through the streets, through public sentiments, through rising pressure that pushes the events forward. So, in the end, will this remain a show of power or turn into direct involvement in the conflict? Because if Yemen becomes an active front, the map of this war will grow even bigger.